A project title is Drive-by Wireless System for Vehicle Control using Steering, Brake, Throttle, Sensors and Servo Actuator Wheels. The main objective of a project is to control the steering, brake and accelerator of a vehicle through wireless network. The protocol which we are using in our project for the wireless network is MiWi peer-to-peer wireless protocol. And the microprocessor we are using here is ARM Cortex M3. We have totally 4 units in our project, which display unit, servo motor unit, DC motor unit and the sensor unit. This is the transceiver we are using in our project for the wireless network. And this is the microprocessor we are using in our project. This transceiver and the microprocessor are used in all the 4 units. And the power supply we are giving in all the 4 units is 9 volt. When the power supply is given to all the 4 units and the power is on, there will be a wireless network in between these 4 units. This is the display unit and this is the display board, in which in this display board the reading of the accelerator, brake and angle will be noted. This is the DC motor unit, in which it indicates the speed of the motor of the vehicle. This is the servo motor unit, which indicates the change in angle of the steering. And this is the sensor unit, in which we can change the value of the accelerator, brake and also the steering. And this is the brake. When the brake is also kept to the maximum, you can see that the motor is off. And now again, when the accelerator is kept to the maximum level, you can see that the motor is increasing in its speed. When the brake is given, it slowly decreases its speed and finally it stops. And this is how we can control the accelerator and brake using wireless network. And now coming to the control of steering, we are using a potentiometer in the sensor unit for controlling the steering. The steering is controlled using this potentiometer, and then the changes in the steering can be noted using this servo motor. The steering angle can be moved by rotating this potentiometer knob. You can see that the servo motor angle changes when the potentiometer is turned. And this is how we can control the steering using wireless network. This is also a rechargeable battery we are using in the DC motor unit. This is a 12 volt battery. The 12 volt from this battery will be converted to 2.3 volt through this circuit, and it is given to the board, in which it helps the wireless network. This is the display board section. This is the display board. You can see here the value of accelerator, brake and angle is displayed. Now here the brake and angle is at maximum value and the accelerator is 0 value. Now I am increasing the value of accelerator here, and you can see the changes in the value here. So it's now maximum, and now I am decreasing again. And am I also decreasing the value of the brake. And also the value of angle. Now you can see the motor is running and the value of the accelerator, brake and angle in the display board. This is how our project works.